Hey, what's up? TROY the maker checking in. Today, I'm gonna laser custom vegetable tan leather and make bag charms. But Troy, what is a bag charm? I'm glad you asked. From my understanding, a bag charm is basically an accessory that you can add to a bag, a purse, or whatever you want to add it to. And I want to try and make some. And I will be using my Glowforge, some vegetable tan leather, and some leather glue. Everything I just named will be in the description below. And to make things fun and interesting, I'm only going to use Glowforge Print, which is the software that you use to operate the Glowforge, with the premium features, which also unlocks a lot of the features for people like me that don't know how to draw, but also for people that don't have that much knowledge with the graphics software. Okay, now we are in Glowforge Print. The first thing I'm going to do is go over here and insert a text. The font that I'm going to use is called Graduate. We're going to type in the letter J. Press enter. So we're gonna make it about 2.5 inches. So we're gonna line it up with the 3, which I'm lining up using this 3 right here. And we're gonna go down to let's go to about 2.25. We're gonna select our material. I'm gonna use thick natural leather. So we're gonna select that, and it's at engrave, but we're gonna make it a score line, and the score line is purple. So then we're gonna create an outline to go around this J. So we're gonna select it, we're gonna go over here to create outline, and we're going to create new outline. It's gonna default at 1/4 inch, but we're gonna knock it down to 0.1 inch. Press enter. We're going to select it. And if you are on a Mac, you can go to Command C, Command V to make a copy. And we're gonna move that one over here to the side. We're gonna take that inside one, the purple score line, we're going to delete it. So now we're going to select it, create an outline. Let's knock it down to 0.1. And we're gonna take that inside one, delete it. But now we gotta put a little piece of the leather to cut out so we can have something to hook it to. We're gonna go over here, we're gonna insert a shape. Let's do a circle. We're gonna knock that circle down to 0.3, and we're going to line up the circle as soon as it starts touching the top of the J, which looks good. And we're gonna eyeball it in the center. So we're gonna select the circle that we just inserted and the letter J outline, and we're gonna create an outline around this. But we're gonna knock this one down to 0.01, and we're going to press enter. And it's gonna give us that cut right there. So we're going to move it to the side like that. This one right here, we can delete it because we don't need it anymore. It removed that line that was in the center right here. So we're gonna insert another circle, and we're gonna take this circle, we're gonna make it 0.15, and it's gonna automatically do it right here also. We're gonna take this one, and we're going to eyeball it in the center to create another cut circle, and it looks good right there. And as you can see, if we select everything and we kind of eyeball it to put it on top of it like so, it's gonna give us the look right here, and that's what's gonna make it 2 layers. So let's zoom out a little bit, and what we're going to do is we're going to select everything, Command C, Command V, and it's gonna make a copy, and we're going to take it and move it to the side. But since this is a letter J and we're going to have it on both sides, we're going to take it and we're going to flip it horizontally so it can line up on the other side when we put them together. Okay, we got everything cut out. Took the masking paper off to make sure that it looks good. The camera had engraving, so I hit it with the lint brush. Turned out great. So then I used this leather and suede glue to put it all together. This was the first layer, and then this was the second layer on the opposite side. Let it dry for a while, and I also did some other letters just to make sure that I had it down packed and that it worked. And these turned out really, really good. There you have it, leather bag charms. Hey, real quick, let me know in the comments if you thought that tutorial that I did making these bag charms using Glowforge Print with the premium features, was it easy to follow or difficult to follow me? I would really like to know, like Joe. Let me know in the comments below. Bars. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Let's go make something else.